So let's read this question. An object of height 2.5 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from the optical center of a convex lens. So draw the convex lens like this. Clear? Like this, principal axis, optical center. Now what rest? Object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from the optical center of a convex lens. So U will be minus 15. Object of height means HO is 2.5 plus 2.5. Focal length of convex lens is positive plus 10 centimeter. Now, first of all, find the focal length. Just draw this diagram carefully. F is here. F. This is how much? 10. Similarly, in the same way, like draw object. Object is here. How much? 15. And I think object size is also given like 2.5. Clear? Now apply the formula, get the value of V. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U, sorry. Clear? 1 minute actually. What happened? Sorry. Some technical fault. One minute. Hmm. Hmm. So apply the formula and 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. U is how much? Minus 15. F is 10. So calculate the value of V. It will be 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 15. So once you solve, what is the value of V comes out to be? Tell me. 10 into 15. 15 minus 10. So how much is 5? 5 threes are comes out to be 30 centimeters. 30 means like plus 30, like so where it will be focus 10, it is twice of focus. It means beyond C, beyond center of curvature. So it means like it is like this. This is image. So already we know that what is the formula of magnification? V by U. Okay. It will be HI by HO. V we got 30. U is how much? Minus 15. HI by HO. HO is how much? HO is how much? 2.5. So HI comes out to be 15 to the, it is minus 5. We have not draw. You can draw like, if you wish to draw, you can draw. Object is placed between C and F. Image is beyond C. This image. So you can draw like, if you wish to draw, you can draw also. Like, no need to worry. Like, how many rays are required to draw? At least 2 rays. So you can draw like this. Yeah, like this. Clear? So very easy question, like only you have to simply put all the values and get the answer. Okay, thank you.